See my phone. That's mine.
I'm recording you, Bree.
That's a
Whoa. Bree, what state are we in? Did CD tell you? Rah, 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 rah. You're on TV, Bree? Okay, that'll be enough. Now, when you want to see my channel, just click the description below, and I'll see you next Monday. Peace! Oh, we just had to get done with something. Oh, yeah. Now, here's Keeper. Keeper, why are you running away, Keeper? Wow! Wiz, guess what? Every time I shine the when the camera looking at Cupid, when the Cupid looking at the camera, it looked like Cupid's hair brine. You wanna come see? His eyes are white as hair brines. Wait, Cupid, see? Wait, come on. You see it?
Whoa, yeah, sure.
Okay, that'll be for today. Wait. Let's get a screenshot. No! Yeah. Yeah. No.